We have just stood, we have taken one turn and we've stood in our place, okay? And we are now starting the stepping. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now we do 2 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side. Yeah, no, you have to turn. If you turn with the left hand, you go here. If you turn with the right hand, you go here, okay? So, okay, let's do left hand then. Turn with the left hand, this side. Okay, 2 turns, everyone. 2, okay. Right, and now we go 1, 2, 3, 4 towards the left side of the room. Okay, combining the hands and opening it to the other side.
I didn't understand the one.
After the turn, after 2 turns, we are taking the hand and it's like you are closing the hand like this, ऐसे बंद किया, और ऐसे खोला, looking towards one side, your right hand. Okay, and I'll show you the, okay. So we started with just stepping 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 turns. Now I'm stepping 1, 2, 3, 4 while opening the hands. Fine. Now just we take 3 turns. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. And we bring our hands like this towards our chest. Okay? Like we have to take 1 step and this. Okay. Now we are doing rang do, like you're throwing color. ऐसे करके, जैसे होली खेलते हैं ना, ये ऐसे है, ऐसे. Okay, रंग दो लाल. We are stepping up. Now turn. Okay, step back. Bird. Step back, stepping back. Opening the hand. And getting ready. Starting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. Open. Turn. So ऐसे हम खड़े हैं. Slowly the hand comes down here. ठीक है? Now we are again going to turn, but in the other direction, like this side. Okay? So मोहे रंग दो लाल. So we, from here the hand comes down and you have to take this around the head. Mohe rang do lal. So the whole hand comes to this right side. Okay? It's the same way that we show, like this is the same fingers, like this. This turns into this. Okay? Just turns in. So hands are in the back and we immediately just take 1 step and उस direct वहीं से आप ये पैर शुरू कर देंगे.
No, that lyric start the mohe one.
अच्छा, okay. So let me just do it then, because I, from where I'm doing, तो ये आपने लिया, right? फिर वहाँ से cross, ये ऐसे cross the hands, okay? and open it to this side so we can see this. शाखाएं दिखनी चाहिए. Okay, and then you bring your hand down and immediately go up like this. Okay, and you know, with this mudra you step back. Okay, यहाँ से शुरू हो जाता है one direction, this step towards the front, and finally आप उसको close कर देते हो with one turn. Now we do these steps. Okay, तो ये सब I think clear है, and इस direction में 2 चक्कर है, and then finally we spin, and we get to this step. Okay, so this is bringing the hand around and bringing it like this. मोहे, मोहे, ठीक है? ये आप सामने की तरफ नहीं कर रहे हैं, एक साइड में कर रहे हैं. मोहे. Always you're looking at addressing somebody to your right. Okay, always remember that you're addressing somebody to your right. Nand, like जो भी है, ऐसे ऐसे आप बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, so keep that in mind. So you are in that direction you are doing mohe. Okay, and then we are throwing the rang do लाल. अब यहाँ से धीरे धीरे ये हाथ नीचे आके we are now again taking with this hand, ये जो नीचे, this hand, the right hand we are taking a spin, मोहे, रंग. अब यहाँ से जैसे ये दोनों हाथ ऐसे हैं, right? रंग, and you turn it and make this on the right side. This is on the, yeah, on this side. Okay. Standing here, we are looking in that direction. Ki, you know, this guy, I have to get him. Okay. Nand ke lal. Okay, like this. And you have to walk. Nand ke lal. Okay. Yes. Okay. Nand ke lal, lal. Okay. Chhedo nahi. This hand comes like this, wrist, and you hold that wrist. Chhedo nahi, and you look for 1 second. Rang do lal, and you just like this, and you step to the other side. ठीक है? Just ऐसे करके, yeah. Now you do mohe, rang do 2 turns, lal. ऐसे, like you're showing कि it's coming all over you, this color. Okay, lal. So I'll show you this part one more time. Okay, शुरू से हाथ ऐसे, मोहे, रंग दो लाल. Hand comes down, मोहे, रंग दो लाल. नंद के लाल, लाल. छेड़ो नहीं मोहे, रंग दो लाल. Now you turn this way, मोहे, रंग दो लाल. Okay, the turn is ये मींड है. रंग दो लाल. Hand in the back. Tree. Open the tree. आवाज आ गई चिड़ी की. Bring the hand back and turn and turn. One, two, these are the Kona Hastas. Kona Hastas, आप जानते हैं. तो इसमें हम instead of stepping out, we are just stepping forward. तो जैसे आपको दिखाया कि मैंने आपको फुटवर्क दिखाया नीचे, I'll just move it down एक बार और। So कोना हस्तक के साथ you're just stepping forward, 1 2, that's it, and then 3 4, that's all you're doing, 1 2 3 4. Now you're taking 2 turns. Now you're crossing 1 2 3 4 and turn 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 turn, stop, then Mohe Rang Do Lal comes. Turn, turn. This direction, okay, this tree, ये सब right side पे है. See, ये on my right shoulder. Everyone do it on your right shoulder. Tree. पहला हाथ यहाँ, okay, और दूसरा हाथ क्रॉस करके लेफ्ट साइड पे आ जाता है. Everyone, okay, लेफ्ट साइड पे आ जाता है. Okay, now, but I'm seeing some different sides. Everyone, right side पे, ये right, this is your right. Show me your right. Right hand, ये है right hand, okay. ये right hand पकड़ो यहाँ. अब left hand क्रॉस करके दूसरी साइड लाओ. Okay, good. Cross and bring. Yeah, now I can see the what we are making, the shape. ये जो होता है ना, have you seen बच्चे ऐसे बनाते हैं, स्कूल में भी बनाते हैं ऐसे पेड़ बनाते हैं, उस पे छोटी छोटी चिड़िया बैठी होती हैं, कभी कभी फूल भी होते हैं, ऐसे छोटे छोटे फूल होते हैं, राइट. सो ये है, ओके. सो पहले हम ये ऐसे बना रहे हैं, फिर उसको ऐसे. गुड, ओके. अब नाउ यू आर रेडी टू पुट द बर्ड ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट. पेड़ नहीं नजर आएगा तो चिड़िया कहाँ से आएगी? ओके. सो अब नाउ यू रेडी टू पुट द बर्ड. ओके, मेक द मुद्रा. आई वांट एवरीवन मेक द मुद्रा. ओके, मुद्रा के साथ आप ऐसे ऐसे हल्का सा, वेरी स्लाइट. ओके, नाउ यू आर रेडी. नाउ यू टेक अ स्टेप बैक टिल द म्यूजिक चेंजेस. व्हेन द म्यूजिक चेंजेस देन ये सब ठीक है. ओके, उसके बाद मैं क्लैरिफाई करती हूँ. ये स्टेप्स 3 4, एवरीवन से इट अलाउड. 1 2 3 4, रेडी? 1 2 3 4. एवरीवन गॉट दैट? One more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is turn. मैं हो सकता है मैं slightly change कर दूं, but if you don't get this hand, then I can't change it. I might do the skirt lifting like this. You know, वो ऐसे भी हम कर सकते हैं, but जब तक आप ये हाथ नहीं उठाओगे तो I can't, make the movement more perfect. So ये left hand ऐसे होना चाहिए ऊपर, above your head. Right? We did this. So 1 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 हो गया. 5 6 7 8 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, everyone move to your left shoulder, towards your left shoulder. What is your left hand? Hold your left hand up. Left hand. Hold your left hand. अब इस side ये step करना है. इस side. Okay, disappear on that side. Go off the frame. Towards your left side. Move completely. Okay, good. Move. Okay. Now from here, one, four spins. 4 chakkar lenge ab. Good, fast, yeah. So next class, we are planning to have like a small, like a performance, so that you can show what you have learned. Everyone can show, and we are also, Nikhil is there?
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah, okay. So we're planning to invite, I think, others also on the Zoom link. तो और लोग भी देख सकते हैं, आ सकते हैं. एंड इसके लिए कुछ ड्रेस कोड रखना चाहेंगे, थोड़ा सा, अगर सब कुछ घाघरा टाइप पहन ले, लाइट स्कर्ट या विद दुपट्टा, यू नो, जस्ट सिंपल घाघरा टाइप कुछ पहन ले. एंड अगर घुंघरू है वो भी आप, you can keep your ghungroos with you, and if you feel bold enough, you can wear them also, but we'll be able to hear, but we'll be on mute probably, so you can wear your ghungroos, and that way you'll also feel more like a dancer. You'll enjoy the steps. And uske saath hum ye piece bhi aur badhayenge. We'll just complete the next verse, pura paragraph iska complete karke hum performance karenge. Bajira Mastani, Diwani Mastani, this song Mohi Rang Do Lal. We did also जो भी हमने अभी तक cover किया है, all your 3 ताल के साथ, but with music, with the sitar or the sarangi music, we'll do all the steps. Okay, so you can show your technique from the beginning कि आपने इस workshop में क्या क्या सीखा है. You know, it's like a graduation of a sort. So you have 2 days, थोड़ी सी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, because आपको to be more presentable and to get all your concepts. Next 2 days में practice and show up the next class, and हम ऐसा करेंगे. And the thing is that I'm going to send you now a video of what we learned today, Mohi Rang Do Lal का. मैं अभी भेजूंगी in the next 10-15 minutes group पे, ठीक है? तो आप लोग ये steps cover कर सकते हैं. जो भी आपने सीखा है, जो भी नहीं सीखा है, you can cover it up today. And then I'm going to do an मेरी Insta up. Everyone is following, I hope, my Instagram, Astha Dikshit Dance. Are you on Instagram? If you can share it again. And उसपे I will be posting a Mastani की video जो हमने की है by latest tomorrow. So that is another way for you to practice. So you have to, if you can see that video and create a remix. You know how to remix? So if you see my video on Instagram, like it's a reel, so you will see an option on the 3 dots where it says remix. Remix करके आप अपना dance डालें, and I want to see you dance, like, it'll be like coming next to me, next to my dance, and both together. And then you can hit post, once you create your reel with my dance, then you can post it, and I will, it will be shared on my account also, and Dance Warehouse also, Nikhil's account also. We hope that we see some good dancing. So ये एक और तरीका है to, motivate everybody.
And जिनके पास Instagram नहीं है, please put it in the group. We will help you to create it. And also, as promised, we'll help you create your own YouTube channel also. So be consistent with that. That will be your own platform जहाँ पे you can, share all your videos. And one day you can look back and have all those videos in your library. So
absolutely, and really, thanks, Nikhil. And this is your chance, to, because it's, at this time, this is a workshop, so this is your chance to show off everything, So don't miss this opportunity and create your YouTube channel, you upload your videos, and I sent you my link so you can see Mohi Rang, my videos, this one also, Mohi Rang Do Lal also, which I've shared. So uspe aap dalte rahe, and and share your links also if you are doing some dances. So अब ये choreography आपको मिलेगी, बस आप इसको practice करिए. Don't leave right now. Do it in the next 15 minutes. आप इसको practice करिए. Music तो है आपके पास, and then इसको हम फिर next time complete करेंगे. And I look forward to seeing you all then for our class.
Yeah.
Last class, yeah.
The choreography is very beautiful, but we at this age, it is difficult to pick up so fast.
Yeah. आप कोशिश करें. I will send you the video, and उसमें से अगर आपके 1-2 steps भी missing हो गए, it's okay. मतलब आपका जो भाव जो है वो तो नजर ही आएगा, and बेशक आप just ऐसे खड़े भी हो जाएं या ऐसे खड़े भी हो जाएं, you will be seen. So that's the thing with dance. There is no age.
Yeah, really very beautiful. Actually, session was really good. We enjoyed and really maza bahut aaya.
Good. Like, each thing we're learning, you're doing it better the next class, so the next class is always better. So this one will also improve, and we'll definitely finish it, that part, next time. Practice से कुछ भी हो सकता है. Practice से आपको अंदाजा भी नहीं है. जो आपको लगता है कि हम नहीं कर सकते हैं, आप उसको डेडिकेटेड तरीके से लगातार 1 हफ्ता भी करें, 2 हफ्ता करें, तो you will already see yourself changing, और उसको और भी रेगुलर करें, लंबा करें, 2 महीना, 3 महीना, 1 साल करें, you will be amazed. Like then you will be creating yourself, and you'll be probably telling me that this is like, look at this, ये मैं ऐसा कर सकती हूँ, this is so many, it's yeah.
Tell one thing. Hello.
हाँ, yes.
मुझे ये एक बात कहनी थी कि मस्तानी कोरियोग्राफी एंड मोहे रंगलो both are different choreography, लेकिन मुझे मोहे रंगलो कोरियोग्राफी ज्यादा अच्छी लगी.
See, so मैंने बोला था ना आपको कि if you are, this is nothing, that if you like this is nothing, because this is a real choreography, yeah.
Yeah. I like more. And I think we have got more scope to do our expressions in this.
Yes, this is yeah. This is also, my favorite.